Welcome to this little update. I'm still stress testing my device. It's been running now for about 48 hours in total, now 35 hours straight. I taped off the exhaust of the bag, so there's maximum load on the motor because all the air has to go out through the exhaust valve, which means the bag is very hard to squeeze. So I have a lot of load on the motor, and I just measured the current and calculated that it's using about 57 watts, which is about 4.9 amps on the motor, so with 12 volts. So it's quite using some electricity, but the motor is warm. It's about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, so that's completely okay. And I didn't have any issues during those 2 days of letting it run, and I will further stress test it, see if there's any weak spot. But up to now I'm quite pleased with how durable it is.